These Keto Sloppy Joe sliders are delicious and take less than half an hour to make. Set aside your aromatics. Preheat a 12-inch nonstick pan. Here's a secret for getting the most flavor out of your meat. Press the large chunks of meat down onto the flat surface of the pan. Do not turn the meat until it is a very dark brown. The brown parts are where the rich, intense flavor is. Set the meat aside and drain the fat. If you wipe out the fat, you can use one pan. Cook the aromatics for about 5 or 6 minutes. Cooking the tomato paste for a few minutes removes the raw taste. Add your spices. Adding sweetener takes the edge off of the acidity of the tomatoes. Use your favorite keto rolls. Use shredded cheese instead of slices so that it will melt better. This step is optional, but I'm going to broil mine. Watch it carefully so it doesn't burn.